guys, this is Devanshi Sharma and you're watching Mithaas Services YouTube channel. Today I'm all ready to launch Gaye Tab Jai Gatha, a book by debutant author Shreyansh Bachawat. This is one of our first Hindi poetry books that we have published under Mithaas. Also, आप लोग काफी सारे questions डालते रहते हो on our Instagram handle and on our YouTube channel. So this is a video where we'll try to answer those questions. The first thing a lot of people ask is that who are the people working in Mithaas? Is it just me or there are more people? So yes, I am kind of everywhere in the workshops, in the sessions. So सबको लगता है that it's me, but there are 9 other people working with us day and night to build our startup. Recently, we have ventured and gone into the brainstorming unit, which is hiring 6 more people who will be contributing their ideas to our startup. So that is our team in a whole. The second question that a lot of people ask is that what is Mithaas? Is it related to mithai? Is it related to something sweet? So yes, it is related to something sweet, a sweet experience that every client takes back after working with us. Our idea is to reach out to people, provide them a one-stop solution for content writing, designing, publishing, mentorship and everything possible that they are looking for. And without juggling for too many things, we try helping people getting all the services under one roof, and that is Mithaas. So the services that we provide include content writing, designing, publishing, mentorship, and yes, the top 3 services that we have been working on is mentorship, publishing, and content writing. The next question that I hear from a lot of people is that how can we improve ourselves as writers and how can we get published with Mithaas? So it's very simple. All you need to do is number 1, learn and complete your book. Number 2, share the proposal with our editorial team. Number 3, wait for them to respond, and within a week you'll get our proposal from our editorial team. So that's all that you need to do to be a published writer with Mithaas Services. Finally, the last question, how can we be better in what we are doing? So I would suggest that just keep doing things that you love, learn, develop your skills, and you will be all right there. With that, the first Q&A from our end gets over. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to shower your love on Mithaas Services. Thank you.